Okay, so this is a test to see if you can order your numbers, but order the months as well. But also if you can look at the scale to see that the earliest is at the start and latest at the end. Just be careful in future of some other questions that look like this might start with the latest and you might have to order them from latest to earliest. So top tip there. So the first thing that we need to do here is think about the months. Now, if these dates had the year in, then we'd first of all look at the year, and then we'd look at the month, and then we'd look at the day. It's a bit like when you're ordering 3-digit numbers, you look at the hundreds, then you look at the tens, and then the ones, because the hundreds are the highest value. It's a bit like the same when you're ordering dates as well. So I go January. I know I'm talking about the earliest, so January is the earliest month. So I know I'm looking at my 4 here, and I know January is the earliest month. Even though there's the 31st there, which is the highest number in the 4 tabs that we're looking at. That's a little bit of a trick there, trying to confuse you slightly, because I've put the 31st there to see if you would go straight for the highest number. Bit mean of me, I suppose, but there we go. We need to be exposed to these tricky parts, don't we? So actually January the 31st is the earliest date on our timeline. Then we go January, February, there's no February, March. Right, there is March. There's actually 2 Marches here. Another way I've tried to challenge you and trick you slightly, because now you look at the March, now you have to look at the date, don't you? So we've got March the 2nd and March the 3rd, and I've put them very close together, try and trick you a little bit more there as well. But March the 2nd is the earliest, isn't it? And we can tell that because we have March the 2nd, then we have March the 3rd. So March the 3rd goes after March the 2nd. And then we've only got one left, so we know that goes latest. Let's just check. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, and November, December. I tried to make it a bit tricky by having the 1st of December to see if that will make your brain go, oh, well, maybe that is the earliest one, but no, it's still December, so it's still latest there. Okay, well done.